Let's review number 9 from CBA 4. Which of the following examples best illustrates the process of evolution by natural selection? So first, let's look at just the question before we look at the answers. We want to know which example here is going to be illustrating natural selection. So remember, natural selection is survival of the fittest. So what it means is the organism is going to have the best suited trait to survive. But not only that, they also have to be able to reproduce so they can pass on that trait, and then it can become an adaptation as it becomes more popular in the population. So a person with asthma having trouble breathing, is that going to help them survive and reproduce? Not really, because if they have asthma and trouble breathing, they're actually suffering. That's not a beneficial trait. B says a group of species has common DNA sequences. Well, we use DNA sequences to compare organisms to see if they're closely related, but that's not going to be how we see their traits if they can survive and reproduce. That's not natural selection. A man and a woman have 10 children over the course of their lifetime. Well, this one's not our answer because it's really just stating a fact that they've had 10 children. It doesn't state anything about their traits and whether they have the most beneficial traits. D is our answer because it says a population becomes immune to a lethal disease over many generations. Immune means basically they are not affected by the disease. If they're not affected by the disease, they're going to be able to survive. If they survive, they can reproduce with that trait, pass it on, and that would be natural selection. So your answer is D here.